Now, this is maths with Atanda. We also come with another problem again, which says that solve the equation using completing the square method. We are asked to use what this one is actually specified as we should use what? Completing the square method. So completing the square method we are going to use here. So please come on, let's solve it. Thank you. Solution. Right? We have x squared minus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. We are using completing the square method. The idea of completing the square method is nothing but we are going to what? Let's solve. Let's continue. Let's solve. So let's take this constant coefficient to cross the equality sign. We have x squared minus 6x is equals to, when minus 4 cross the equality sign, it turns to what? 4. Right? So now, where we're going to use the completing the square method is that the coefficient of x, we are going to, the half coefficient of x, we now square it, we add it to both sides. Add half coefficient of x to both sides and square it, right? So now, we have x, what is the x squared minus 6x? What is the half coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is minus 6, right? We're adding half of it to both sides and we are squaring it. So plus, what's the half of minus 6 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 squared, right? Is equals to 4 plus minus 3 squared. That's how to use completing the square method, right? So when you're using completing, don't forget is that half coefficient of x, add half coefficient of x to both sides and square it. Now, if you can see this one, this is a perfect square right now. This is a perfect square, which we have x minus 3 square. It's a what? It turns to a perfect square, right? Which is equals to, we have 4, then plus 3 squared. 3 minus 3 squared is the same thing as what? 9. Right? And what we have here, we have x minus 3 squared is equals to 4 plus 9 is nothing but 13. Now, what do we do? To get rid of this square, we will take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of both sides, we have the root of x minus 3 squared is equals to, we are introducing root to other side that does not contain root. It takes what it has positive plus or minus root 13. Right? Now taking here, we have root and square root will go. We have x minus 3 is equals to plus or minus root 13. Right? Now what do we do next? This is, we take the constant coefficient to the other side. We have x is equals to minus 3, when it crosses the equality sign, it turns to positive. We have 3 plus or minus root 13. And this is the answer. This implies that x is equals to 3 plus root 13, or x is equals to 3 minus root 13. That is the value of x that satisfies this equation. But we use what? Using completing the square method. What I want you to do right now is that verify the solution into this equation and verify that when the coefficient of x is equals to 0. That's what I want you to do. Please write it in the comment section. I want to see this the verifying of this problem in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share for others to learn. Thank you.